How to show your current experience on Roblox. In this video I will show you how to do this. Follow and watch this video till the end. Open Roblox like this first, and after opening your Roblox you should go right now and click on more. In this list, go click on settings. On settings, guys, you should go directly right now and click on the third, privacy and content restrictions. So after opening these options, you have to go right now and click visibility and private server. Click visibility, and right now you have to go and you wanna enable it. Just make it like this and click everyone or here. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.